How can you use positive and negative numbers and opposites? In this lesson, you will learn how to use positive and negative numbers and opposites in real-world situations. You will also learn how to locate numbers on a number line. As you watch the video, think about situations in which you have encountered negative numbers. A football team gains 7 yards on the first play. On the next play, the team has a penalty of 15 yards. What numbers can be used to represent the result of each play? A gain of 7 yards means that the team moved 7 yards forward. A positive number represents a gain or an advance or a movement forward. The number 7 is used to represent a gain of 7 yards. A penalty of 15 yards means that the team lost 15 yards or moved back 15 yards. A negative number represents a loss or a movement in a reverse direction from what is usually desired. Since a team usually wants to move forward, the number -15 is used to represent a penalty of 15 yards. So, a gain of 7 yards is represented by positive 7 or 7. Notice that when a number is positive, you can just say the number by itself without including the word positive. A penalty of 15 yards is represented by -15. What does the number 0 on one play represent to the football team? The number 0 represents no gain or loss, so 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 represents a play that did not gain yards or lose yards. Positive and negative numbers can be plotted on a number line. During one turn playing a board game, Jill drew a card that said to move ahead 2 spaces. Her friend Zach drew a card that said to move back 2 spaces. Plot the 2 numbers that represent their moves. What do you notice about the 2 points? First, name the 2 numbers in this problem. Recall that positive numbers are used to represent movements forward. So the number 2 represents Jill's move ahead 2 spaces. Recall that negative numbers are used to represent movements backward. So the number -2 represents Zach's move back 2 spaces. Now, plot the numbers on a number line. Positive numbers are to the right of 0. Negative numbers are to the left of 0. Notice that 2 and -2 are the same distance from 0 on the number line, but they are in opposite directions from 0. 2 and -2 are both the same distance from 0, but 2 is to the right of 0 and -2 is to the left of 0. 2 and -2 also have the same number, but their signs are different. One number is positive and one number is negative. 2 and -2 are opposites. Now you know how positive and negative numbers are defined and how to place them on a number line.